Hello friends, let's get to know the mice in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Mouse. The name mouse, which does not correspond to a specific taxonomic group, is used in scientific naming specifically for the genus Mus. However, rodents that make up the Ratus genus of the Muridae family and are also known as sewer rats or rats among the people are called rats. Rodents that make up the Microtus genus of the Chrysetidae family, also known as field mice, are not mice. Features. They are animals that can escape very quickly and reproduce very quickly. They are scattered all over the earth. They have two outer chin sacs with small linings that go down from their cheeks to their shoulders. Mice carry food in these sacs, and when it is necessary to clean, they turn it inside out and clean it. The hound marsupial mouse digs the ground with its powerful front paws when building a nest. It uses its curved incisors to dislodge hard soil and stones. As the incisors are constantly growing, the worn surfaces are renewed immediately. They feed on a wide variety of foods such as grains, roots, fruits, grasses, insects. In addition, they are widely used as guinea pigs due to the high similarity between the genetic structure of mice and humans and their reproductive rate. Harms and benefits. They become partners in human food sources by haunting fields, barns, and houses. Many species that prefer to live in sheltered structures made by humans are important pests that consume stored food, gnaw on all kinds of equipment, and can even carry epidemic diseases such as hantavirus, typhus, and plague. When they live in nature and are in crowded flocks, they can cause great damage to agricultural products from time to time. Mice, which are one of the most important foods of many wild animals, are also considered as animals that protect the natural balance with these aspects. The mouse is a member of the animal kingdom and is a mammalian animal studied in rodents. Mice have a different structure from other insects. They are omnivorous animals that live all over the world. Their structures vary depending on their species, but their body biology is the same. The mouse has a skeletal system. In this respect, the body structure is in an advanced state. Mice have a total of 4 legs in their body, and they have toes on the tips of their feet, and each toe has claws at the tip, so they can climb very high places and run very fast. In some mouse species, the front legs are short while the hind legs are very long. Just like the kangaroo mouse, the front legs are very short and the hind legs are very long. The mouse has a long tail at the end of its body. In some species, this tail can be twice as long as the body. The mouse usually uses its tail as a means of attachment. Mice have mouth structures on the head and have teeth in a row inside the mouth. The teeth of mice can gnaw even very hard objects. Sometimes they even gnaw hard objects such as marble. During this gnawing phase, the mouse's teeth become atrophied, but the characteristic of the mouse's teeth is that the teeth renew themselves. The saliva of mice is also effective in narcosis, and when they catch humans and animals in a passive state, they eat the ears, nose, lips, and fingers of these creatures, especially at night. Due to the nature of its saliva, living things do not notice it. In mice, the nose is at the front of the head and they have a very strong sense of smell. Mice recognize many animals by their smell, and they detect the smell of food from a great distance. Mice have whiskers between the mouth and nose. The mouse has 2 eyes and 2 external ears located in front of its head. Ears are very large in some mice and very small in others. Mice choose different substances for feeding depending on where they live. Some mice live in fields and among crops and feed on plants. Some are in the sewer. Some of them live in the waters and some of them live completely in nature and feed on the environment they live in. In addition, rats eat insects, dead animal carcasses, and anything that is waste as food. Mice reproduce in different numbers depending on the variety and species. Some mouse species breed 4 times a year, some 6 times. Mice give birth to live offspring in reproduction, unlike other pests. So mice do not lay eggs anywhere. When you clean to see if there are mice in your house, if there is mouse droppings in the house, it means that there is a mouse in your house. Mouse droppings are the size of a grain of rice and black in color. The genetic structure of mice is just like humans. In this respect, it is very beneficial for humans. The developing pharmaceutical industry and medicine use mice as guinea pigs instead of humans. This is a very important beauty in terms of science. Mice get different names depending on where they live. Mice that live in the field are called voles, those that live in the sewer are called sewer mice, or small mice that live in houses are called house mice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.